Hello, my name is John Archer. I'm a digital champion in Brighton and Hove, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to load applications onto your tablet. Now, if you've seen the video on this channel called Tablet Orientation, you'll know that your tablet comes in with a number of applications already added. For example, the clock, the camera, and various other things. There'll come a stage as you use your tablet more and more, you'll want to do more and more with it. So you'll need other applications. So, for example, if you want to know the weather forecast, you might want to load the Met Office app, and I've already loaded that on mine here, so that's it here. You may want to load BBC News, which is I've got up here. But you also may want to load an application to read a newspaper. You may want to load applications to play games. So in this one, we're going to load chess. So to start, you swipe up on your tablet to see all of your applications, and we're looking for this icon here, which is the Google Play Store. Tap the Play Store, and that will come up looking something like this. Yours may be slightly different, and what I'm going to do is tap into here, search for applications and games. So if I tap on that, I've already typed into chess there, so I'm going to tap on chess and pick a game of chess. Now, these are the icons here that will appear, but some information about what all of this stuff says. In this one, for example, it's got a rating of 4.6 and it's had 10 million plus downloads. This one here has a rating of 4.4 and is 100 million plus downloads, and etc, etc. Now this one is chess free. Now many applications are on the Play Store are free, and if you wanted to just search for free chess, up here you would type free chess. So I'm going to tap chess free here, and here it gives me a lot of information, some screenshots of the game. And if I wanted to find out more, I tap here, and it will give me information about the game. Now I'm not reviewing the game, so I'm not going to read that out. So I'm come back, tap on there, and here to download it onto your tablet, you tap install. So I'm tapping install, and you can see, interesting here. It's asked me to complete my account setup, so I tap continue, and what it's asking here, if you look, is to add a credit or debit card. Now in a lot of games where you pay for them, or any application, you may have to pay for them, and it's going to want to know that. Also in free games you'll get adverts, and you'll maybe tap on the advert to buy something, and it needs to know your credit details. Now as I'm going for a free game, I'm going to skip, which is just here. Skip that because I don't want to give it a credit card. And then what it's doing now is it's installing, so you can see there it says pending. So it's 73%. So it's downloaded the game, and now it's installing it. Right, now it's installed and I can open, so I tap here. And that's the game. Okay, privacy policy, I'm going to say I accept that, but if you want to know more, you can actually read it there, so I'm going to accept that. And then I'm going to say no thank you, I don't want to personalise my experience. And I'm going to close that window there. Or maybe not, there we go. and then I can play the game. Now I'm not going to play the game, I'm not a chess king, queen, whatever. So I'm going to go now back to all of my applications. So I'll go back to there, and we'll find that somewhere on here the game has been loaded. I can't see it for the moment. Onto your home page. No, I can't see it there. So it's obviously not made my home page. So what I'm going to do is sweep up here and look for the game. It's not on there, but it's there. So whenever I want to launch it again, I just tap there, and that's how to launch the game. But as I say, there's loads and loads of applications, some free, some you pay for on Google Play, but that's how you install it. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall this. If you find you don't like the game for any reason, I'm going to show you how to uninstall it, and that's pretty straightforward. I hope this helps. Thank you. Bye bye.